In this video, we're going to talk about FLUIDRAY, which is a render engine, and this is the new version of FLUIDRAY, and it's a physically based renderer. So it means that it's going to work with physically based materials and also physically based effects. Now, this is a website here, fluidray.com. You can access the website just by searching in Google here, and you can access directly the free trial or just get into the main website here and you will find the button for the free trial. So you can download and install the free trial completely for free for 10 days, and then you can decide whether you want to proceed or not. Now you can see here, we can download the file for Windows or for Mac. It works in both operating system. And you can see here what you can do with FLUIDRAY. Basically, you can do rendering for architecture, interior design, industrial design, jewelry design. So you can create your models and your scenes in other software like SketchUp or Rhino or Revit. So you can use CAD files, you can use BIM files, and you can use them with this standalone render. This is not a plugin like V-Ray or Corona Render, but it's a standalone software, so you can use it separately. And it's really easy to use. It's really simple, user-friendly. It's really fast. So it's really a good choice for those of you who don't want to spend time there to understand a lot of parameters. You want something real quick, real easy, and also not so heavy. You can see here the requirements to use the FLUIDRAY rendering. So there's nothing really heavy here, so you can use it with any computer. Now you can see here also some additional pages. If you want, you can check the various features, you can try it, you can buy it, you can see the galleries, and also how it is used in architecture rendering, interior design rendering, and so on. So this is the interface right here. It's really simple. So we're gonna see it now. After we download it and install it, we're gonna open it up, we're gonna see it together, but essentially it's composed by 4 parts. So really no complex at all. The first part is on the left. This is the libraries where you can get images for your background or materials. Then you have the middle part here, the center part. This is the render windows basically, and you have some rendering tools. And then on the right side, we have parameters to manage the materials, the lights, tweak the lights, and the render settings. So it's a really, really simple software that you can use. And again, these are some features. It's pretty fast. You can use it for many different works and projects. Doesn't have GPU limitation. It's user friendly, so it's really easy to use, and it's gonna get you, well, a good quality for your rendering. It's not gonna be the best render out there. There are many others, but they are also more complex. And if you're interested in other render engines, other software, you can check the channel. You will find a lot of different video courses, and you can also write comments, ask questions, and give other suggestions for other render engines. So when you finish to download, you will find it in download folder, unless you specified another folder. And you just double click there and proceed with the installation. The installation will be really fast because this is a small size installation file, but later on you need to download all the libraries if you want to find a lot of assets that you can use. So just proceed, go forward, say accept, and go forward. Define a folder where you want to install it and just install it. It's gonna be really easy and really fast. Once the installation is finished, you will find the icon on your desktop, or you can search for the software inside the Windows search bar, or also if you're using Mac, you can find it. So I will double click and open up the software here, and there it is. So this is the main interface. There's also a tip here, so I can decide if I want to see it over time. So if I don't want, let's just close this up. Okay, and now usually when you start, you're gonna see the download option, so you can start to download stuff. Now you can see here in the left side we have the materials, environments, and backgrounds. Now I have some backgrounds, but I don't have materials and environments. This is why you need to download. Otherwise, you're not gonna have anything. You need to create everything yourself. It's gonna be a longer process. And also here in the middle, we have this rendering panel. So nothing is inside right now, but we're gonna make some examples in the next video. Now you also have some other options here. So if you go to downloads, you can update the library and you can just select all and then click on download. You can see it's about 4 GB of files that you will download. So it's gonna take some time. Let's say yes, and let's just wait. Don't touch anything until this has finished to download all the packages. So the next time you're gonna open up FLUIDRAY, you will find a lot of stuff that you can use. A lot of presets and things that are already set up for you. Now on the right side we have the editor. So this is where we basically edit everything, all the assets. So again, material, environment, background, but also camera settings and render settings. So you can see this is extremely simple, extremely easy to use for the ones who didn't even ever created anything using any other render engine. So if you're using SketchUp and you want to do some more advanced render, if you use Revit and you're not satisfied with the render engine in Revit, which is a bit heavy, you can definitely connect these two software together. You can import a lot of different types of files here in FLUIDRAY, a lot of formats, but we will see this later on. So if you want to stay updated, you can subscribe to the channel, and also you can check other guides and courses that we will publish about FLUIDRAY, but also other software. And also, if you want to give us just a little support, if you just want to say a little thank you, you can do it by joining the channel as a supporter. This will help us to create more videos, more courses. So for any other comments, you can leave your comment in the comment section below, and you can also ask questions again or give suggestions to other users about the topic that is treated in this video. So this will be all for this introduction and installation and download. Again, you can try the free trial version for 10 days so you can understand how this software is gonna work without paying anything. So this will be all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys.